Good day to you all again, YouTube. Welcome back to another tweak tutorial. Today I'll be showing you how to customize the folders title when you open them up. So we'll start off by going into terminal and getting root privileges by typing su and your password, followed by var Theos. If you do want to change the directory, you can, but building it in mobile is just easier. So bin and nick.pl. This will bring up the instance creator, and since mine is a tweak, or ours is a tweak, it'll be 13. Yours could be different, so just choose a number. Since we'll be doing folders, we'll be naming it something easy to know, so foldy labels or foldy label. It doesn't have to be anything like that. You can choose whatever name you want. It just makes it easier to have a name that correlates to what you're trying to tweak. Foldy labels, and just fill in all these details with whatever information you want. So I'm going to be using flexible to show you what's actually happening. So we'll select the SB folder title text view, and of course we want to be changing that. So going into our tweaks, actually the home, we can see foldy labels right here. We want to symlink Theos, which we can find in wherever you have, wherever you have put it, the control file. We can name it to 1.3a for alpha or b for beta, whatever you want, you can name it. Description, hide, folder, titles, or whatever you want. If you want to have people contact you, you can put your email in brackets, and this will just show you the email once you've done it, which you don't particularly need, and I'm not sure you can actually add that with no value, so I'll take that out. We want to go into our make file and add the arcs, as well as UIKit as a framework. And equals UIKit. Now if your project doesn't build, change it to just lowercase Theos, and it should work. This is just what we're building for, so iPhone 6, iPhone 5s, depending on what you're trying to use. This should be iPhone Clang, and depending on your SDK, I'm using 9.2 and latest. You can also download a 10.0 SDK from Xcode, if you do want to develop on that. I will be doing that later on today for further iOS 10 development. Going into the tweak.xm, select all and remove, save. Now I have all of my iOS 7 headers in downloads, 10.1, sorry, Springboard. Now we want to look for SB floaty folder, which should be in alphabetical order depending on if you use that inside of yours. So floaty folder view. Now you'll see possibly something like a ivar or titles, so shows title. We can check that by going into our folder, clicking on the view. Now actually you can see that's the text view, so you can change that yourself, and that's actually the container that it's held in. Now shows title should be down here somewhere as a void. Alright, so it's not in one of them. We'll just type up shows title Right, so we can't actually do that. One would be yes, of course, and the other ones would be no. We can also check it by going into our floaty folder text view, or whatever that is, the name of it, folder title text view. And you can hide that just straight out, or making it easier for you, you can change it from wherever it was, folder, floaty folder view, and just set shows title to no, or hide the entire property with layout subviews if you can find it in here. Alright, well, that's what we're going to do anyway, by hiding that title. Right, for the hidden property, we want to actually use an interface, which is where we'll be adding all of our properties, such as the hidden or text color, background color, alpha, all them sorts of properties. Floaty folder view, remembering off of my head, floaty folder view, and we'll be changing the has title, shows title, underscore shows title, to no. So floaty folder title view, I have the shortest of memories. Alright, so floaty folder view, floaty folder view, so no view, title at end. If we're using properties, we actually don't need that, so wasting time there. Hook sp floaty folder view %end to end it. Hooking, this is what we're going to be using, the class, and we can change bool underscore shows title and return it as no, or return false. And as far as I know, that is pretty much all you need to do for that. You can go ahead and build that in terminal, cd./40 labels, make and clean, and make package. Typing make package install will actually install it and respring, which is why I'm not doing that right now. You'll see it building for ARM v7 and ARM 64. That's just the architecture of what you're trying to build on to support both of them. You can also add ARM v7s for newer versions. Building it, and not sure if it'll work straight away. You may need to require a respring for it to actually affect anything. So it may require a respring, but that should work completely. If not, then I will update the source code. I'll also post the links below for the source code and everything else. Hopefully you did enjoy this video, and if not, hit the dislike button. If you did, definitely hit the like button. It shows me that you've helped or have liked it and that you want to see more. Also comment below for any problems. I will help as many people as I can, as well as subscribe for notifications when I release new videos, which hopefully will be every single day, but I'll see my schedule with everything else. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see all of you in the next video.